STBL is trading right now in a zone between 17 to 22 cents USD, with strong recent volume. The markets have lit up around STBL because it isn't just another crypto token. It claims to bring stablecoin utility plus yield component in a split structure. When people lock up collateral, like tokenized yield-bearing assets and money market type stuff, they receive USST, which aims to maintain dollar peg stability, and also a separate yield NFT, called YLD, that captures the excess yield from that collateral. That structure makes STBL interesting because it separates stability from yield in a novel way. Recent updates have made things buzzier. STBL was listed on multiple exchanges including Binance Alpha and Kraken. Then the team announced that a USDT margin perpetual contract would be launched, which gives leveraged exposure and tends to attract trader interest. The issuance of these derivatives and margin products often boosts volume and awareness. Also, early holders are watching carefully how the collateral behind USST performs under stress, how liquid it really is, how reliable the yield portion is, and how well the peg holds under market volatility. Another news piece. STBL's tokenomics include a much larger max supply than what's currently circulating. Only a fraction of the total STBL has been released so far, which means there is potential for future supply pressure when locked tokens unlock. However, the roadmap and announcements emphasize integrations, audit transparency, and governance and community participation in future decisions, which many observers see as needed to justify a higher valuation. Looking to future price behavior and predictions, in a favorable environment, with the stablecoin peg holding well, yield structures working, and increased adoption, some analysts think STBL could test 30 to 40 cents USD in the near to mid-term as more liquidity comes in and as traders get comfortable with the utility. If momentum holds very strong, and new features, staking, real-world asset collateral, institutional usage, come in, more bullish scenarios place targets around 60 cents to $1 USD sometime in the next year or two. On the other hand, if the USST loses peg stability, or yield portions underperform, or unlocks cause widespread sell pressure, STBL could fall back towards support levels in the 10 to 15 cents range. Resistance is likely strong above 25 to 30 cents, and breaking through those levels with sustained volume will be critical.